Wait, our next unit talks about circles. Do you know the parts of a circle?
There's no parts.
There are no parts.
There's a radius.
There's a radius.
Diameter.
There's a diameter.
It's divided into a lot of triangles.
Okay. Do you know if you were to divide it into a triangle that was 1 degree, how many degrees or how many triangles you'd have?
366.
Excellent. Okay, so in a moment, you're going to label the parts of your circle. Excuse you, no talking, please. You're testing, I'm videotaping, and having a class discussion back here. So, first of all, you can take your circle and fold it in half. And when you fold it in half, what have you made?
Half a circle.
It does make a semicircle, which is important. But this line that goes from one
Is
side
that the diameter?
through the center to the other side is what we call the diameter. Now, do you know what half of the diameter is called?
Radius.
Good. You don't have to fold yours this other way, but I'm going to so I can find my center. So you'll see from here to here, we call that our radius. So if the diameter is 10, what's the radius?
5.
Good. If the radius is 6, what's the diameter?
12. Oh wait. 12.
It's 12. The radius is 6. What is the diameter? Okay. Now, do you know how many diameters will go around the circle?
306.
No.
4.
If I ever take this,
Oh wait.
now we're to like lay it on top.
180.
How many do you think it goes over?
2.
2? 360, somebody said. Anybody else got any ideas? That's one of the things we're going to explore. What if it took 4 diameters to go around the circle? How many radii would it take?
8.
Good. Okay, just making sure we understand that. Well, here's what I want you to understand. This outer edge that goes around, do you know what that's called?
Outer layer.
If it were a square or a rectangle or a
The
triangle, we would be finding what? Area or perimeter?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. The perimeter around the circle is what we call circumference. And if we wanted to find how much white space, what would that be called?
Area.
Area. There's going to be 2 formulas we're going to need. One is going to be for circumference. And if we look at our map chart, it'll say circumference, it'll say circle. It has one that says 2 times pi times r. What do you think that r means?
Radius.
Radius. And it has another one, but instead of radius, it's using what?
Diameter.
Diameter. So, does it make sense that it takes 2 radiuses and 1 diameter? Perfect. Okay.
So does that mean pi?
Yes, that little symbol is pi. And you'll look down here, it'll tell us that pi is 3.14 or 22/7. And then for the white space, you told me that that was area. And it says area of a circle. We only use the radius. It says radius squared. Does that mean 2 times the radius?
No,
No, what does that mean?
the radius times itself.
The radius times itself. So if the radius was 3, we wouldn't say 3 times 2 and get
3 times 3.
good. We would say 3 times 3 when we get 9. Any questions? Okay, so that's what I want you to do. I want you to go label your parts of a circle, and then we're gonna put this in our spiral.